Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What is going on? I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. I know I am. So, wow. We were saying just the other day that NAKD was primed to start going, primed to start reversing, and we are seeing that. Back up to 56, we have seen a big increase, but we will talk about that in a second. Before we get into the video, I need to remind everyone I am a university student doing economics and finance. I am in no way, shape or form a financial advisor, so please do not take anything I say as financial advice. All stocks on this channel, all stocks, cryptos, assets, whatever commodities, whatever it may be we bring to you on this channel, they are all battlegrounds. We can only identify the battlefields for you. However, we cannot fight the battle for you. So you need to do your own due diligence and make sure you get into the trade for the right reason. So, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. As we were saying, we called it kind of back here a couple of days ago. We said NAKD, where it was consolidating, it was primed to go. And I love it when a stock starts to consolidate because, granted, they can go both ways. However, I just feel, and I don't know what it is, 9 times out of 10, when a stock starts to consolidate, where the buyers and the bulls and the bears are equal, sooner rather than later, the bulls end up getting the better side of the deal. I don't know what it is. That is just what I have learned from my kind of experience doing that. And we have seen that a couple of times with NAKD. As we can see here, just the little lines that are drawn on, consolidation, big spike, consolidation, big spike, consolidation, gradual increase, but it is rising a lot. As you can see here, it's risen about 6-7 cents a share in the past few days, which in all fairness doesn't sound like much until you start scaling it up. That is quite a large percentage of profit. It's quite a large percentage of increase. However, it isn't until we see this, and this is what is really exciting me with NAKD. When we go to the 1 hour time ticker, and here we can see it is starting to consolidate. This is looking juicy, and it is starting to rise. It is starting to take off, and Lord knows where we could see this finish. I know Sam did a video the other day talking about hedge funders, and that does massively contribute to this, and I will go into detail a little bit more in this video as to why I believe that's contributing to this. But I just feel a lot of it is caused by retail traders getting excited about NAKD again. We saw it with AMC, we saw it with GME, we saw it with BlackBerry, we saw it in Nokia. We've seen it with so many stocks this year, especially with the whole Reddit trading kind of fiasco that's been going on. It has been majorly popular, as we can see here. News article, the 7 newest meme stocks grabbing the retail investors' attention. So, is that AMC frenzy is over? Are Wall Street bets traders ready for their next move? That is all aimed at NAKD. This is on an NAKD thing. This is targeted at NAKD. NAKD is at the forefront of Reddit. It's at the forefront of a lot of retail traders' kind of go-to platforms, as it may be. However, the bit that really grabbed my attention with this is it's noteworthy that short shares in May were up slightly from the previous month's figure, which was 38.59 million. As since the stock's price has seen 180% year-to-date update, investors' interest is likely to be reignited due to its potential to move even higher. This is because the short interest has been increasing and the hedge funders are rattled. Now, if there's one thing that NAKD aren't, and that is thick. We are smart people and we know what we are talking about. And we have recognised that this short interest is increasing, and we recognise that the hedge funders are starting to panic. And as such, that is the main reason I feel like this is kind of come to the forefront of a lot of retailers' sort of pictures, as it were. We saw what happened with AMC, we saw what happened with GME, and there is no reason why it is not about to happen with NAKD. Like I said, I reckon the true value of NAKD is probably about $4 a share, roughly, dependent on what assets or what they may acquire, but that is a long-term projection. The short squeeze where it comes, that can be anywhere. Pick a figure, and you know, it can be as high or as low, whatever. But no one could have predicted GameStop reaching £300 a share or $400, whatever it ended up going to. No one could have predicted AMC reaching $70 a share. So no one, absolutely no one, can predict where this is going to finish. So that's all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow, maybe. Yeah, tomorrow. With another video. And yeah, until next time, guys, take care.